British pound opens up the week nudging higher after trading down to as low as 129 on Friday. It got off those lows Friday afternoon, continued to nudge higher today, getting to as high as 129.42 before closing out at 129.25. Now, the pound has seen a big move in the month of July. It's up over 2% against the dollar, even as we saw a modest pullback late last week. And again, seeing it nudge higher today, closing up near 129.25 to start the week. Now, what does this mean for volatility? Well, check out that CVOL index over at cmegroup.com. You will notice that volatility has moved in tandem with the price action we've seen in the month of July. As prices moved higher throughout the month, we've seen volatility moving higher. As they peaked last week and started to back off a bit, we saw volatility coming off slightly. Today, we didn't see a whole lot of movement in volatility. Volatility opened up the week near unchanged after seeing a modest pullback late last week. Lastly, let's talk about positioning. What are speculators doing? Well, speculators are doing what they've been doing over the last couple of months. That's adding to their net long positions, as there is a great deal of uncertainty out there as to whether rate cuts are coming. Unlike in the States, where we're seeing the markets price in Fed cuts in September, as we already saw the ECB cut back in June. Ultimately, the BOE is still uncertain, and we're seeing that reflected. So we're seeing the net speculators add to their net long positions, at least until we get some clarity. So opening up the week, we see the pound nudging higher after starting to move off those lows late Friday. Today got to as high as 129.42 before closing out at 129.25, ahead of mixed expectations for potential rate cuts at next week's Bank of England meeting.